Did you know a crippled slave became one of history's greatest philosophers by embracing his own powerlessness? Epictetus was born into slavery in ancient Rome. His leg twisted and broken from birth. His master would chain him daily, beating him for the smallest mistakes. The pain was unbearable, but something changed during those brutal moments. He realized he couldn't control his body, his chains, or his master's cruelty. But he could control his thoughts, his reactions, his inner world. This became his revolutionary idea: focus only on what you can control. While still in chains, he developed the core principles that would reshape philosophy. When freedom finally came, he didn't seek revenge or riches. Instead, he opened a school to teach others this simple truth. His students' notes reached Marcus Aurelius, who used them to lead an empire. Today, modern therapy still uses his techniques. The slave who accepted his powerlessness discovered the ultimate freedom,